My skin is really oily and I'm prone to breakouts.
Whenever I apply any foundation, it gets so cakey and it just doesn't sit right on my skin.
I have some oil on my T-zone, otherwise I'm just perfect.
One of the most difficult things is finding your perfect foundation match. But I'm here to help some of my besties from Glamrs find their ideal foundation, and as an added bonus, I'll be showing you what's my ideal foundation and how I apply it. Since Shivani has oily skin, we're going with Matte Melt first. This hydrates your skin while balancing excess oil production. For foundation, the right pick would be a matte foundation that also has pore blurring effects. And here's one of our favorites, the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Foundation. The best way to apply this would be with a flat brush and to smooth out any brush strokes with a damp beauty blender. And finally, we'll set this with some loose powder.
Okay, this looks like it matched my skin. Can't see any oil yet.
Now here's what we're dealing with. Dull and dry skin in need of some love and hydration. We're starting off by prepping with Hydra Wave, bringing dry skin back to life. Next, we're going to reach out for a creamy foundation stick that will offer coverage and also will prevent the skin from drying out. We'll set this in powder, but only in the areas where skin tends to crease, like under the eyes and around the mouth. Finally, we'll finish up with a splash of hydrating setting spray.
My skin looks so dewy and fresh. I can take this home, right?
We're starting with grease control on the T-zone using a silicone-based primer. Since we don't want full coverage, we'll just be spot correcting any blemishes with the concealer and then following up with a powder foundation all over the face. This way we can avoid using too much product.
I don't look too greasy or too powdery. I like the lightweight finish. It's me with a little bit of upgrade.
Now finally, let's get to my routine. So here's what we're dealing with. I have very sensitive skin and even the tiniest scratch from my nails can make my skin break out in rashes. First things first would be to use a salicylic acid based primer to keep my skin protected from any bacteria or acne. My next pick is using a foundation derived with natural ingredients that's going to be totally safe for my skin. I'm applying this with my fingers and going in with a small brush wherever my nails won't let me reach. And finally, I'll set this with a compact powder. This will give me light coverage, but most importantly, it's going to make my skin feel super comfy.
Let us know if you have similar foundation problems.
We are always here to help you with your makeup concerns.
Thanks for watching, and until next time,
Stay tuned and stay glamorous.